Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve the error 0xc1900223, then stick around for the solutions. The first solution would be is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. We do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, clicking on system, and we look down for troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we run the button parallel to Windows Update. This should solve the problem, but if it doesn't, then we will flush the DNS. We do that by looking for the command prompt in the search bar, right clicking on the command prompt, run as administrator, and we use this command IP CONFIG space slash flush FLUSH DNS and press enter. Now this should resolve the problem, but if it doesn't, then we can use SFC scan in the same command prompt. We would run command prompt again as administrator. Type in the command SFC space SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. This should correct the issue. But if this doesn't work, then the only other option we have is to use the Google DNS. Now, why we use the Google DNS is because their servers are quite error proof and they are very fast and they hardly have any issues as of such. So how do we use the Google DNS? We press the Windows button and the R key simultaneously. There we type in the command ncpa.cpl and press enter. Now a window will open which shows you the network connections you're using. So I'm using this connection because it's green, it shows. I right click it and I click properties. Here I look for Internet Protocol version 4. I double click on that and I get this box and I go right down to the lower left corner and I click this button, use the following DNS server address. In the preferred DNS server, I will use the DNS 8.8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS server I will use the DNS 8.8.4.4. This is the Google DNS and I will click OK. This should resolve your problem. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.